To prevent your camera to automatically scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable scan QR code option on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Under Intelligent Feature section, tap the blue on off switch next to scan QR code until the switch turns green to turn it off. To see the result, tap the back key. Point your camera to an object that has a QR code on it. As you can see, now your camera will not automatically scan the QR code on the object. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.